Welcome to the Madison County COVID-19 webpage. The Health Department is excited to share the updates we've made to the website in order to provide our community with the most up-to-date data. As you can see, the main page looks a little different now. Up top, we still have the number of total cases, the number of active, deceased, and recovered. If you scroll down, you can see the number of new positive cases by day. You can also use the map to select a township, for instance, the town of Lenox. And you will see the number of active and recovered cases specific to this area. You can click anywhere within this map icon to show the whole county again. To view more data, either scroll down and select one of these links, or use the sidebar COVID-19 Statistics and Interactive Map. On this tab, you will see many of the same graphs, but now with an interactive component. For case characteristics, you can see demographic information of all cases, including biological sex, race and ethnicity, as well as the percent of cases in each age range. There is also a breakdown of the route of transmission. This refers to how a person was infected by a virus. You can see in our community, about half are considered community spread, which refers to people who have been infected with the virus in a particular area, but we're not exactly sure where or how they became infected. Congregate settings refer to long-term care facilities, group homes, and any communal living spaces. The COVID-19 virus, similar to other viruses, spread easily in these kind of settings. Lastly, contact to known positive. This is defined as having close contact with someone who is tested positive for COVID-19, usually within 6 feet for at least 30 minutes. Similar to the main page, you can select a town and the graphs will adjust based on that town only. Again, click anywhere within that map icon and see the whole county again. Next, we'll go to COVID-19 testing. On this dashboard, you will see the total number of positive, negative, and the total tests. The graph will show the running total of negative and positive tests over time, as well as the percent of negative and positive results to date. Down below, I also show the percent positive per week. This means the number of positives divided by the total number of tests for that specific week. And you can see how it's changed throughout the pandemic. The COVID-19 Trends page will show you the number of new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths by day in the first graph. You can use the caption bar at the top or the gray arrows to move between graphs. This graph will show you the total number of active cases and recovered by day. And you can hover over the line bar or the bars down below to see the exact values. The trend in COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths will show you trend over time. So this is a running total of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. Switching gears now, we're going to go back to the main page, hover over recovery resources, and select reopening metrics. As most of you already know, the governor's office defines 7 indicators that each region needs to meet in order to move into the next phase of reopening. This page will take you through each indicator and show you how Madison County is doing. Indicator 1 is the number of hospitalizations in county hospitals. This includes Oneida Health and Community Memorial Hospitals. In each graph, you will see the upper limit or the goal. So you can see this is the metric set, and this is how we're doing comparatively. Indicator 2 is the number of COVID-19 deaths in county hospitals. That does not include any Madison County resident death that occurred outside of those locations. Indicators 4 and 5 is hospital capacity. This includes all inpatient beds as well as ICU beds only. Indicator 6 is the number of tests administered by day in dark blue and the 7-day average in light blue. You can see down below is the testing goal of 70 per day. Indicator 7 is the number of contact tracers in Madison County compared to the requirement. You can see we have 28 compared to the minimum of 21. Thank you again for visiting the Madison County website. We hope you find this information helpful.